With every investment in mutual fund, you could move a step closer towards achieving your financial goal. And to help you along your investment journey, you've got us. With a legacy of 18 years in the investment business, a strong distribution network, and an effective AMC collaboration, backed by BNP Paribas, one of the largest banks in the world, Sharekhan continues to be the preferred choice for investors. We are super excited to bring you the latest update of the Sharekhan app, where you can start a SIP with just one click. Pick a profile which best describes your needs, and the Sharekhan app will find a basket of funds for you to invest in. You can always modify the schemes and allocation of this basket before you place the order. Or you can go with research-backed SIPs we like or funds we like. Once you find the funds worth investing in, you can either invest the amount of your choice at once, which is called investing in lump sum, or you can choose to invest a fixed amount regularly, which is called systematic investment plan or SIP. In SIP, the amount you choose is deducted from your bank account and directed towards the fund. Download Sharekhan app and take the first step towards living your dreams. Invest with Sharekhan today. Mutual funds are subject to market risks. Please read the offer document and scheme-related documents carefully before investing. Refer to Sharekhan website for the detailed disclaimer.